Did you know that tucked away in the heart of the woodland garden at the Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens, there is a secret killer? The carnivorous plant collection. These exotic plants exist in wet, nutrition-poor environments and therefore have evolved to supplement their diets by trapping and eating insects. The most famous species in this collection is the Venus flytrap. It has 2 lobes. Each lobe is lined with finger-like cilia and tiny hairs in the center. Insects are lured to the trap by a sweet nectar along the cilia. When the hairs are triggered by movement, the lobes will snap shut on their prey. The lobes shut in 2 phases, actually. The first phase is fast, trapping large prey, and it allows smaller, less beneficial prey to escape. Once the right-sized insect is captured, the cilia lace together, forming an airtight seal. This way, the plant's digestive juices can fully dissolve its prey. After about 5 to 12 days of digestion, the cilia open back up and wait for their next meal. One of the larger plants in this collection is the pitcher plant. These bizarre and stunning plants boast beautiful flowers and devour thousands of bothersome insects using their passive pitfall trap. The attractive leaves and a sugary lining along the rim lures insects in for a little snack. These insects get drunk on the nectar, then slip and fall down into their narrowing tube where they are slowly digested. Come and experience these fascinating flesh-eating plants, but remember, do not touch. You could lose a finger. No, just kidding. The plants won't hurt you, but you can hurt the plants, as it takes a lot of energy for them to work their magic.